genocide. All embracing the sun, taking some pics. Look at that background. A mountain face right here that's kind of rocky. Hey, it's Sav Exposure. We are out here getting geared up and ready to go. We are going to Cataract Falls today. We're waiting on the rest of the group to get here. Once they get here, we're hitting the road. It's about an hour and 10-minute drive. You have to drive right through kind of Muir Woods, get to Marin County, go in a little bit, and you'll get to the Cataract Falls Trail. So I'll be showing you some of the scenery on the way, some of the stops, some of the things we do, talk to you on the way, you know, share some fun facts if I have any. But yeah, we're gonna have fun. We're gonna have an exciting day. Keep watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. Sav Exposure out. We're out here. We want to stop real quick and show you guys this view. It's super amazing. We actually have a car coming inside to get off, but want to show you guys the view, so check out the footage. So we've just reached here. We're about to get started on our trail. Show you guys a little Pan Am of what's going on. We got the guys back here. They talking, doing what they're doing. The parking here is a little weird. You kind of have to find a park in one of these little weird places. It's some by the porta potties you can park, or kind of veer off on the side of the road, whatever's open, but there's not too many parking. So you do want to try to get here early and try to find parking while it's available. The trailhead is just there. That's where we're about to enter and begin in a second. So about to get set up, get everybody going, use the bathroom, and once that's done, you know, we'll do what it do. So we are just beginning our journey, walking around Mt.Tamalpais watershed. We got the guys right here. Everybody say what's up.
What's good?
So we're doing the moving, about to come around this bend. Been a pretty easy hike right now. Looks like we're gonna walk up a little bit of incline. Not too bad of a hike at all. Yeah, pretty chill. Very beautiful up there.
There's been a bear here. Look at the stars of that. Oh. You can tell this used to be a Native American reservation.
Hey. This is absolutely dope. Look at this. The water is completely still. Nothing's moving. Nothing's moving at all. This is crazy. Yeah, because the water's not moving, I probably wouldn't drink it. It's not running water, so I would chill out on that. But yeah. How y'all feeling?
Oh, I didn't even know it was me, huh?
How you feeling? How you feeling? You don't gotta be ready. How you feeling?
Good, man. Good. Get you know, all this good oxygen here. Great oxygen. Get away from the big city. Get some good, you know, good oxygen.
Cool exercise, you feel me?
Yeah.
Get out the house. Get out the house.
I know I can hear the swamp in the background or the waterfall.
It's a beautiful hike, for sure. Definitely.
Not too many people here, not too many people crowded the area, so, you know, out here by ourselves, basically.
Now take a look at this. This is absolutely amazing. Goes all the way to the top. I'll get up there later and show you guys a little bit of that. Comes all the way down and flows into that watershed or lake or dam, whatever you want to call it, that you saw earlier. But that's where it flows into. So it starts all the way up there and it comes all the way down and all this water flows. So as we go up and up, you're going to see it get skinnier and skinnier. And as you go down and down, you're going to see it get wider and wider. Take it in and look. Super dope, super fantastic. Gotta love it, gotta have it. So now I'm gonna take a extreme route and go up this. So I'm gonna show you guys my path up this high maneuver. There's a path that's not, you know, beaten like this and all extreme, that wraps you around. But I'm gonna come up. So I've gotten to about this point, so I'm pretty much just going to get back on this path that leads up right up in here and go back up to the top on the path. So yeah, show you guys that. All right, I'm gonna take a leap of faith. Yeah. Right, here we go. There we go. That could have went absolutely terrible, but it did it. I mean, just look at this. It's just endless waterfalls, endless beauty. Take it all in. It's cold, but we've been getting our workout in, getting our legs pumping. So, having fun. I'm a little bit out of breath. I've been taking these paths up these rocks and running and stuff, but look at it. So as you can see, we're taking a quick break, stopping. It is so beautiful here. The sun is finally coming out, trying to soak up some of that vitamin D, which is amazing during COVID, because I'm usually not out in the sun as much as I like. So to be able to soak it up is absolutely amazing. He said it best.
It's all part of the plan. They don't want us to get. They don't want the melanin to shine in this. They're trying to kill us off this way now. FBI sending it's just another form of genocide, keeping us in. Hey,
like and subscribe. Make sure you keep watching. Tune in to what's coming next. Show you guys some other views, some waterfalls, things of that nature. Love, peace, and hair grease. Back hiking, sun is out. It is absolutely beautiful. The birds are chirping. The frost has unfreezing, and I am breathing, so I'm blessed. Whew. Hope you guys are enjoying your day wherever you're at. Make sure you like and subscribe. Please, please, please. Anywho, just wanted to show you guys some kind of scenery. We're on a like flatter path. We're not uphill as we were. We were just at stop 1, so now we're going up to stop 2, which we will turn around and then, you know, walk back like that. So we just took another stop. It is absolutely beautiful. The sun is shining. You can embrace it. We got Stu back here. He's embracing the sun. We're all embracing the sun. They're taking some pics. Look at that background. El Sol! You hear the echo? Absolutely amazing. Sun out, fun out. Super dope. Hold on. Look at this view. Absolutely amazing. Sun is shining even brighter up here.
Tell him.
So
William,
we have this amazing view right here. We've got a little, this is pretty much Marin. We're here in Marin. You see a little bit of the redwoods, the forest, mountain views. If you look across right there, you can actually see San Francisco. It just lies over there. You can see downtown area is kind of cloudy, but in here you have the Pacific Ocean. So you have all these beautiful elements and views that we're able to see. This kind of mountain face right here that's kind of rocky and comes down here. You have a road that intertwines down there, and you even have a view peak down there you can even drive to or walk to that gives you a kind of lower vantage point. But this is absolutely amazing. We're happy to be here, happy to take this in. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Yeah. So as you can see, there is this beautiful stream right here. We're on our hike back, just to give you an update back to the car and everything. But we've been pretty much running, so you see I've got a sweat going. This water is absolutely freezing cold and it feels lovely. I'm just embracing it. It's steaming off my body. You guys, I don't know if you can see the steam fogging up off me. It's so refreshing. Ice cold water. Woo! For a hike and a run, I would drink it, but I have my own water source, so it's not even needed. But it's so refreshing. Get a little on my neck. And yeah, keep you guys updated. I'll probably do a little exit and show you guys how long it took us and everything towards the end. Wow, I am really steaming. But yeah, keep you updated. Hey, it's Sav Exposure. We just finished our hike. We had an absolute amazing time. I definitely recommend this spot. The hike took us about 4 hours. We had a lot of stops and sat down and chill, you know, 15 minutes, 20-minute intervals. So I say overall it's probably a 3-hour hike if you pace through it at, you know, a steady rate. But it's a beautiful place, as you can see, and you know, a great place to enjoy right here in Marin. So yeah, try it out. Like and subscribe. Check out some other videos. I have some content coming. So yeah, stay alert. Sav Exposure out.